In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create HTML tables and have it pre-populated with text using AI inside your Chatbot.com portal. Inside the templates area, go ahead and click on the HTML table creator. And we now want to fill out inputs. So the first one is the headings of the table. So let's say we're going to do the pros, the cons, a summary, and a link. The goal of the table will be showcasing different design softwares. So the goal of the table is listing design softwares. And then the topic is going to be the best design softwares for designers. And then do generate. It's now generated the CSS and the HTML for the table. So you go ahead and highlight the code. And this can be put into your code editor or into a WordPress site, paste it in, and then we're going to open it up, and there you have it. We have the pros, cons, and summary, and then a link which will take you to the website. Go ahead and check it out inside your Chatbot.com portal.